This is a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. I'm going to show you how to remove the grille, front bumper, and the headlights. So you'll need a T20 for most of the bolts, and then for the headlights you need a T25. Now there's inside of each fender well there's 4 bolts that need to be removed. You have one up here, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one underneath that will take this guy off. You will need to reach inside here to remove and pinch these clips to release it. It's just plastic, so it doesn't really hurt or anything like that. And then there's an additional T20 up here in this corner right here. That will have to be removed, and then once you get that out, then you can pop the whole side out just like that. Now there's 10 bolts underneath as well that need to be taken out. For the grille there are 4 bolts. There's one here, 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 and here. And that just loosens the grille, and then you can just take that out. There are clips on the bottom, but it released pretty easily. Once you get that off, you have these clips that you just press down, and it releases the bumper. Show you that. There. And that's how you'll take the front bumper off. Okay, once you pop all the clips off, the bumper just slides forward, and then you have a wiring harness right here, and that's the only thing that connects the front bumper to the actual frame. Alright, for the headlights you have 4 bolts. You have one right here, one right here, one down here, and you have one right there. And these are all T25s. And then of course you gotta undo your harness right here.